Namaste. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can become a freelancer, how you can work on multiple projects sitting at home and earning money. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button on the right side corner of your screen. Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon. Now, let us understand who this freelancer is or who is a freelancer. A freelancer is a person who is sitting at home and working on multiple projects. He or she is not employed with any of these project companies. He or she can work as an independent consultant without any company's name, without any registration. Anybody can become a freelancer. Anybody, I mean to say who can become a freelancer? Let us understand that as well. A freelancer can be a student, a working professional, a housewife or a business owner also. Student or working professional after school hours, after college hours, after job hours, after office hours can spend their time or they can put their efforts for completing of their freelancing projects. A housewife also after all the work they can sit on their freelancing projects and they can complete work on them. Now the next question can be what kind of freelancing work we can do. Now this completely depends on your expertise and your specialities. If you have any particular skill, for example, if you are very good in content writing, if you are very good in grammar, you can become a content writing freelancer. If you have very good designing skills, if you are expert in Photoshop, Corel Draw or Illustrator, you can become a graphic designing freelancer. There are lot of jobs, there are lot of freelancing jobs or freelancing projects on data entry work as well. Even trainers can also become freelancer. Trainers, they can teach online, they become online training freelancers. So there are plenty of jobs. Depending on your skills and expertise, you can choose which project or which work you want to take up as a freelancing project. Now, where can you get these freelancing project? You have good skills, you have ample number of time also, but where can you get these kind of freelancing project? Let us understand that. Online, there are many websites which provide very good platform for freelancers. I'll give you few examples. Freelancer.com, Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Guru.com, peopleperhour.com. These are only a few examples of websites which are good platform or very good platform for freelancers. Freelancers or individuals, they register in this website with their skills and expertise and they can apply for any freelancing project. What happens in this website, I'll explain you. Now for example, there is a person who has registered in this website, freelancer.com, upwork.com, these kind of website, and updates his profile that I have 50,000 lines of data. I want someone to enter this data into a web application. I have the web application, I have the user, I will share the username and password also. I want someone to enter this 50,000 lines of content that is listed in a Word document. I want that to be uploaded in the website or web application. Now this becomes a data entry project. This project is entered or added in this kind of website, freelancer.com, upwork.com. Now all the people who have shown their interest in data entry work, they can apply or they can bid for this project. How the bidding thing happens, I'll tell you. If there are 10 people who have shown interest in data entry job, then each of them can bid or they can propose, they can send a quotation to the client stating that I can complete this whole work within 3 days and I charge $300. Someone else will bid or send a quotation that I can complete the whole thing in 10 days and I bid $50. Somebody else will be bidding. I will complete the whole thing in 1 day and I charge $400. Now it totally depends on the client, the person who has added this project. Totally depends on him whom to give this freelancing project. Now once the project is completed, the money is collected from the client, and these websites, freelancer.com or upwork.com, fiverr.com, they take a very small percentage of commission. The commission amount ranges from 5% to 20% depending on the project size. They take a commission amount and the remaining amount will be transferred to the freelancer's bank account. This is just an example of data entry project, but there will be lot of projects like software development projects are also there, training projects will be there. You know, there will be a lot of voiceover projects also. Voiceover projects, I mean to say, there will be some video and somebody wants you to speak and record your video, audio along with that video, something like that. There will be lot of projects on translation services also. Translation, I mean to say, some content is in English, somebody wants that content to be translated into Hindi or Telugu or Tamil, any other local language. So these kind of projects are also available in these kind of websites. 99designs.com is also an example where graphic designers or people who have good idea about Photoshop, Corel Draw, Illustrator, they can apply, they can register in this website as a freelancer and they can apply or they can work on different projects. So becoming a freelancer is a very good option to earn money sitting at home. No one will be question you, why are you sitting here, why are you sitting there and working. You'll be working on multiple projects and totally you will have your own, I mean to say, you can manage your time very well. So that is all about this video. I have explained you how you can become a freelancer, how you can apply or how you can grab freelancing projects and earn money sitting at home. So this is all about my today's video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also comment. I will understand what you are what do you understand, have you liked this video or not. I'll get a clear idea about that. And thank you very much for watching my video.